In this video, I want to share the best Black Friday deals with you. So if you have been waiting for the sale of the year to pick up a tool to help with your self-publishing or a course to learn some new skills, then this is the video for you. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to join me here. I really do appreciate it. Black Friday is one of the biggest sales all year, and if I can help you save some money on getting yourself something that you have wanted to purchase for a while but felt it was a bit out of your budget, then I hope today I can help you out by sharing the best Black Friday deals for the tools, software, and courses that I love and use myself. Although Black Friday is one day of the year, this year it's the 24th of November. Most people have deals that run for a week or two, so you don't even have to wait until Black Friday to get some of these deals. I will put all of the info of each deal down in the description box below, along with any coupon codes that you need to use, so you can get all the info down there too. Also, there are a couple of super secret Black Friday deals that I can't share in this video yet because they are not live yet and the companies do not want us to promote them until they're live. So for those ones, I'm going to send an email out about what they are. So if you want to get a couple more secret Black Friday deals when they go live soon, and I will also summarize these deals as well, get on my email list for that because that's the only way you're going to be able to find out about those super secret ones. Okay, let's get straight into what's on sale and what deals are on offer this year. First up is the Children's Book Creator course run by the lovely Nuria over at the Homeboss channel. I took this course a while ago. I did several videos on the course and the book that I published as a result of that course, and it helped me create a children's picture book and get it illustrated without having to hire expensive illustrators or spend a lot of money outsourcing the images in my book. If you have been wanting to publish your own children's picture book but have been stuck thinking that you need to spend thousands of dollars on an illustrator, this is the course for you. The course will take you through coming up with a concept for your book and what you need to know before you start creating it. You learn about how to structure your book and what the best layout is. You'll be taken through coming up with a topic for your story if you haven't thought of one already, as well as how to build the story. Nuria then shows you step by step herself creating her book interior. Once your book has been created, there's lots of information about creating a title, crafting a book description that sells your book, creating an eye-catching cover, and then finally how to publish your book on Amazon KDP and promote it. Nuria is offering 30% off her Children's Book Creator course, as well as her other courses that she has available. From Friday the 24th of November until the 1st of December, use the link down in the description box below and use code BLACKFRIDAY30 to get your discount. The next deal we have is with Helium 10. Helium 10 is a fantastic tool, a very comprehensive tool to help with keyword and niche research. I have quite a few videos showing the benefits of using Helium 10 and the kinds of data that you can get from it. As KDP publishers, we can use Helium 10 to spy on our competitors and see what keywords they are using to get sales, as well as using it to build up detailed keyword lists for our book listings and to use in Amazon ads if you are using ads. Helium 10 is offering 25% off a 12-month membership, and if you are already a Helium 10 member and you just want to upgrade to a higher tier, the discount works on that as well. So this is not just for brand new members and memberships. And so just a note with this one, there are two separate links depending on whether you are a new or existing Helium 10 member. So look for the link that you need down in the description box below, relevant to whether you're a new or existing member, to get your discount. And this offer runs from November 22 until November 29th. BookBolt are the next ones to be offering a fantastic Black Friday deal. I've shared many videos about BookBolt, and the great thing about this tool is it's a bunch of tools all in one. BookBolt is a niche and keyword research tool specifically for low content book publishers. I love using BookBolt's cloud tool in particular to find new niches or to find what books are currently trending in certain niches. They also have a designer studio where you can make low content book interiors using their pre-made templates for books like journals, logbooks, and planners, and tons more. Or you can create puzzle books using their integrated puzzle tool, and you can make word searches, sudokus, crosswords, mazes, and many other types of puzzles. So what's the deal BookBolt is offering? It's a good one. They are offering BookBolt Pro at just $49.99 for 6 months. But if you use the link and the coupon, my normal coupon down in the description box below, you get my usual 20% off in addition to that deal. So you'd get 6 months for just $39.99. That works out at just over $6.50 per month. A great deal. And as another bonus, you lock that price in for the life of your membership. So it will continue to stay at that price as long as your membership is active. This deal runs until November 29th. So make sure you get in on this one now if you have been waiting for the right time to get access to BookBolt. The next awesome Black Friday deal we have is with Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is a place where you get access to an absolutely massive amount of stuff that you can use to create your books. Creative Fabrica gives you access to millions of designs like images, clip art, patterns, fonts, and even complete KDP low content book interiors that you can use to publish books on Amazon. Creative Fabrica are running a few different deals over the Black Friday period, so there is something for everyone. Firstly, they are offering in the lead up to Black Friday some mega free bundles. They have a total of 11 free design and font bundles where you will get multiple different bundles and collections of fonts or images for free. There is quite a few of them, too many to go through in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out an email with the links to those different bundles and where to get them. So if you're interested in those, again, they're totally free. I've popped a link to my email list down in the description box, and get on my email list if you want the links to those free bundles. You can get access to these free bundles from now until November 23rd. The next deal they are offering is so awesome, and that is a massive 90% off site-wide on anything you purchase, bar the memberships, between November 17th and December 3rd. So make sure you buy everything you would ever want to buy from Creative Fabrica during this time. Please do note that in order to see the 90% off, you need to make sure the site currency is set to US dollars. You can be in another country to purchase, that is totally fine, but they have said you need to have the currency set to USD to see the 90% discount. So just keep that in mind. And then for those who are interested in the membership, who want to use Creative Fabrica year round and want to get their subscription so that you can download whatever you want and as much as you want every single day of the year round, for one price, you can get a whole year's subscription to Creative Fabrica for just $47. So the normal price for this is $348. So a huge saving, and this deal is only available between November 23rd and December 3rd. Now, if you already have a yearly subscription to Creative Fabrica, you can extend your membership for another 12 months at this discounted price. So this isn't just for new subscriptions only. And you can extend your renewal date multiple times at the discounted price. So if you want to extend your subscription for another 5 years at the discounted price, you can do that at the price of $47 per year and secure that discount for years. Links to the Creative Fabrica deals is down in the description box below. And if you do get on my email list, you'll get links to the freebies as well. The next Black Friday deal that you do not want to miss is from Publisher Rocket. This is an extremely helpful tool for niche and keyword research that is specifically targeted to self-publishers on Amazon KDP. Publisher Rocket shows you what keywords actual readers and customers are typing into Amazon, which categories will help you sell the most books, and how much other books, authors, and publishers are earning. I love being nosy like that, and I'm sure lots of you are the same, so I always like to nosy in and see what other people are making. Not only that, but it shows you detailed stats like historical category trends, average book prices, keywords for specific categories, and ghost categories, which all help you best target your ideal customer. The best part about Publisher Rocket is that once you own it, all future updates are free, it is not a subscription-based tool, and their team adds new exciting features very often. These new capabilities will likely increase Publisher Rocket's price soon for those people who have not yet purchased it. So it's a really great time to get in and get yours if you want it. The deal that you can get with Publisher Rocket is for anyone who purchases Publisher Rocket over the Black Friday period. You will get Dave Chesson's Mastering Keywords and Categories course for free. So this is a 6-lesson course. It's normally $49 and it shows you how to quickly improve your book's keywords and categories, which results in better traction and higher sales on Amazon. So in the course, you'll learn how to improve your book's discoverability on Amazon, find profitable keywords and use them in the most effective way, understand how Amazon uses keywords to show your book to new readers, use the proven process to select best-selling categories, find niche, low competition categories with hungry readers, avoid ghost categories that hide your book from readers on the Amazon store, and increase your chances of being added to extra Amazon categories. Using strategies from this course with Publisher Rocket, you can immediately improve your listing so that more targeted readers take notice while shopping, preventing your book from being buried under all the others on Amazon. I know we've all experienced that. You can get this course for free until November 20 by using the link down in the description box below. So those are some of the best self-publishing Black Friday deals currently on offer. Earlier, I did mention that if you wanted to get some Creative Fabrica freebies, then get on my email list because there were just too many to list in this video. But also there are those couple of extra super secret Black Friday deals with some really great tools and companies that are not live yet, and we are not allowed to promote them until those deals go live. So if you do want a couple more secret Black Friday deals when they go live soon, get on my email list for that because that's the only way you're going to be able to find out about those ones. And of course, if any further Black Friday deals come to my attention between now and the end of Black Friday, I will send out more emails to my email list to let everybody know about those. I really hope that some of these coupon codes and deals help you out, save you a bit of money, and you get your hands on a tool that has been out of your budget until now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.